We back on the tap.
It's Sheba and... Could you just sing our theme song?
Okay, well, you just get off my back.
I mean, that's what we're known for.
I know.
Singing Sheba and
Let's
TheeBigGuy.
go.
Why did I get off your back?
I don't know, but just
why you being so hostile to me?
Ain't nobody being hostile to you. Quit shaking your head at me.
Because we can sing our theme song. That's what we're known for, right?
Ready?
It's
go.
Sheba and the big guy. Sheba and the big guy. Come hang with us.
Come roll with us.
Come hang with us. It's called Come Hang With Us.
It ain't called nothing. It's just called Sheba and the Big Guy. What you opening up?
This
cotton candy sitting low. Let me see you Tootsie Roll.
Oh. Let's
Faygo.
Take a thumbnail.
Move it over so they can see my face.
No, you saying, they saying you all right? All right, we're gonna taste this cotton candy one first. First, I'm gonna smell it. It smells like cotton. You want to smell it?
Nah, just go ahead. Just go right ahead.
Now that tastes like cotton candy. It tastes like cotton candy. Do I like it? I would be home. No, I don't like it.
I gotta get that Espanol out of my taste buds.
So would you get it again? You said no, it's nasty. So why are you drinking it again?
The Espanol.
Oh, I'm ready to taste this one. Okay, so I grew up on these. I love these, and hopefully we get some cherry and some blueberry and some. I smell the flavor. It smells delish. Now that can stay. That's good. I'll drink that again. Definitely. I'll definitely drink that. Some stuff is getting poured right down the thing. But that will stay. I will finish drinking that. Let me get some more. It's pretty good.
Hold on. You got 2 pulls.
Why you being stingy on camera?
Yeah.
You being stingy on camera? Like we don't get along. Come on now. Only child syndrome.
Cause you got 2 pulls. Let me get 2 pulls. Share.
So I will give that a thumbs up, but the cotton candy, no thank you.
I'll give it, and it's in between an ant and the eggs. I'll give it that.
Which one?
Cotton candy is, but what is this? The firework. I'll give it that. I'll give it an.
It's a bomb pop.
Or whatever you want to call it, a bomb pop.
Well, they call it a firework.
Yeah.
And I call it a bomb pop.
It's an ant. Yeah. I don't know about this. If I went to the store and I seen it.
Well, you being that this is
you just cut me off. You just cut me off.
Why are you getting mad for real?
I'm not getting mad, but you just cut me off. I'm trying to explain to him what I was going to do.
Stop being so hostile, Jesus.
You always think somebody's being hostile. I'm not.
You're a big, tall guy. When you have a deep voice, just say it in a nice way.
Go ahead and say what you're going to say.
This is going to be in the house. Are you going to continue to drink it?
Which one? Cotton candy?
Yeah.
No, I'm not drinking this one of them.
I'll drink the bomb pop, but cotton candy, cool.
Both of them can go, like, that's too sugary. Like, The firework, the more popsicles out and...
You didn't like them?
Yeah, I didn't have too many of them as a child.
Oh, gosh.
When I was a grown man.
All right, so that's the end because you digging up your nose and.
I had to. Dad,
you're on camera.
I don't care. Hey, you're my family. Y'all my family. Y'all know. Half of y'all know I'm like this. Like,
you on camera doing stuff.
Here.
All right, so that's the end of that, and it has been Sheba and the Big Guy. Sheba and the Big Guy. Thanks for hanging with us.
Come roll with us.
Come back next time. Deuces.